Hi guys, this is just a quick video to remind you that I have just uploaded 2 free giveaways for you. One is an appointment book and the other is a planner, both 2025, both fully dated. They're brilliant books, you can download them for absolutely free. All it's going to cost you is a little bit of your time. I'll link to the videos, you've got to watch 2 videos to get the codes and you'll get these 2 files for absolutely free. The videos are about 5 minutes long. That's all it'll cost you in time. 10 minutes and you'll have 2 PDFs for you to kickstart your KDP 2025 with a Get Big Bang. I'm also going to talk to you a little bit about pricing strategy in this video. So the 2 files I'm going to give you are these 2. This is the appointment book for 2025, fully dated. You get a title card, 2025 appointment book, 2 pages for important dates, all again properly dated and dated. Few contacts pages, and then we'll get into the dated planner section. It's a double page spread. This will be on the left hand side, this will be on the right hand side. So it goes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday on the first page, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And this is all correctly dated. There's a section for notes. Each day is broken down from 8 AM to 7:45 PM. There's also another file which you'll get for free. It's a slightly longer day version of this. I think it goes from 7 AM to 8 PM, something like that. So as we are speaking now, it is Saturday the 4th. So this video will come out today. I'm going to edit it and put it out this evening, UK time. This is one of the files you'll get. You'll get 2 versions of this. The other file you'll get is this Art Deco Planner. Now these are planners that I've made a long time. I've got this as a mail merge document. Really easy. Tap a few buttons and I can make planners stretching into next century if I want. Again, it's an Art Deco style, so you get a lovely pattern in the background, a lovely title card, contacts pages. This one's a bit more in depth. Important dates for 2025. Each month has a monthly to-do list and a at-a-glance calendar. And you notice I've taken my time and made these look really good. The dates of the month that we're in, January, are all bold and bigger than these ones here, which are smaller and grey, the ones that aren't quite in the month, but you like to have a bit of a follow-on. This was all done with mail merge. It was a pain to set up, but now I've done it, bosh, and do them very easily. There's a notes section there, and again we're into the meat of the planner. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all dated, the year. Each day has a time, an appointment, and a to-do list. The second page of the spread has weekly priorities. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and another section for notes. And that goes throughout the entire book. All nicely presented, and designed, and printed. That's yours for free. All I want is just a bit of your time for you to watch the videos, get your discount codes, interact with the videos if you wouldn't mind, like and comment. Good comments only though. And you can have these absolutely gratis. I'll be doing giveaways every Friday. I'm calling it the Friday freebie. I'll give you a little sneak peek of what's coming up next Friday, which is about the 10th of January. There's a couple of different options. Here they are here. So there's a 100-page, 5-minute journal. I won't show you too much, but 100 pages undated. It's great. Or there's me kids gratitude journal for little monsters. Again, whoops, you're not seeing too much of that. Either or, if you've got a preference, leave a comment in this video and let me know which one you'd prefer. But that'll be Friday, around about the 10th, I think, the 10th of January. Now, I want to talk to you about pricing of these books, because I've just noticed something. It's been a while since I've done any KDP. And these are what I've got these books priced at. So this is the appointment books. I've made the appointment book for hairstylists. You make as many as you want in as many different covers for any business you can think of. that's going to need an appointment book. There are hundreds and hundreds. I haven't had time. I've been lazy. I've been a little bit unwell. I've been busy as well. I do work a full-time job. But this is what I've noticed. So, the book costs me £2.21 to print. So I was happy to charge $6.99 and get a couple of quid in royalties, $1.99 royalties. I'm not greedy. I think they might be worth maybe a little bit more than that. But $6.99, it's enough for me. I'll get me £2. But now, this didn't used to happen. Now they've included a VAT. Obviously, VAT, it's all vatable unless there are specific exceptions. But these books are, these books need to be VATed on. Obviously, businesses, if they're VAT registered, they claim them back. But this video isn't about VAT law, because it's a pain in the a-hole. But now, so the UK price now has VAT on top. It didn't. I imagine the VAT was included in this, the $6.99. So you could price it at $6.99, and then that would be the list price. In fact, I'll try and show you something. So this is the, there you go, $8.39. That's the book. You're going to look at this if you want to see how many sales I've got. I haven't got loads, but my back end is terrible, and that's nothing to do with the illness I had. I mean, my keywords and that. I'm not very good at it. But that's the price now, £8.39, whereas previously it was $6.99. So, that's something to bear in mind when you're pricing these books. This page here is for my, for the daily planner. So that's the Art Deco thing I shared with you. Again, I was happy to charge $6.99, get £1.70. But now this VAT thing's coming, so your book is more expensive immediately. In the UK and EU countries, I think Japan has a VAT on it, maybe. Yeah, Japan has VAT and Australia has GST. So the taxes are now loaded on top of your list price. The US doesn't. So now, if I want to get that list price to $6.99, what would it would have to be like $5.50, I suppose. So $5.50, I'd get 81 pence if I wanted to keep the book round about the $6.99 mark. Obviously, with these books, you've probably only got January to sell them in, because that people will be buying them normally December and January to use throughout the year. So it's probably not a massive. It's not a massive thing at the minute, but next year you'll have to factor those prices in. Even this time of year, it might even be worth knocking that down to. Well, what would happen if we did it at $4.99? Do we say 80 pence, 50 pence? Nope, I want more than that. Yeah, if you knock it down, well, if you knock it down to £5.50, so you're getting 80 pence. It's not loads, but if you sell loads of them, if you're better at back end than I am, which you will be because I am appalling, you could sell 100 of these and get yourself 80 quid in the month. If you do loads of different designs for covers, you make even more money. It's just something to be aware of when you're pricing your books, something that didn't used to happen. And in fact, when I uploaded these books, well, to be honest, I probably did them in December and uploaded them. That UK VAT and the EU VAT list price plus estimated VAT wasn't a factor. I charged $6.99, the customer paid $6.99, but now you've got to factor that in. So that's it. Just a little short video. First of all, to remind you to get these books now, because you've only got really a month to start selling them and making the money. Some do trickle out in the year, to be honest, but January's where you're going to be making the bulk of your money. And to remind you that they are free. All you've got to do is watch 2 short videos, roughly 5 minutes long each. Interact with them if you can. It does help me with my video views. So this is just a reminder of what you get. This is your daily planner. And this is the appointment book. I like the appointment book. It's very clean, very simple. Universal for businesses. You just put a different cover on and bang. That's your new market right there. And remember, Friday, every Friday I'm giving away something free. Next Friday, it's going to be either this or my 5-minute undated daily reflection. And to be honest, with this one, there's also a black and white version, which is cheaper for you to print. So the profit potential is more. So leave a comment in this video to let us know which one you want. To be honest, I've not been getting a lot of interaction, so there's not many comments. I'll toss a coin and do one week, one the next. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember, the links to the other videos are in the description. Give them a click, watch the vids, get yourself technically 3 brand new books for you to download completely free and resell. Charge what you want, use them how you want, sell them on Etsy, sell them on Lulu. Obviously they're designed for KDP, 8.5 inches by 11, and they fit perfectly. No faults, no errors, absolutely perfect. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.